Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about a supplement that's been getting a lot of attention lately, MITOLYN. If you've been seeing ads or reviews about it and wondering, does this really work? Stick around. I'll break down what MITOLYN is, how it works, the pros, the cons, and my honest opinion in simple words. Let's jump right in. So first off, what exactly is MITOLYN? MITOLYN is a dietary supplement designed to support your body's mitochondria. Those are the little powerhouses inside your cells that create energy. The idea is that when your mitochondria work better, your body has more natural energy, a faster metabolism, and even improved focus and mood. Basically, MITOLYN aims to help you feel more energetic throughout the day, burn calories more efficiently, and reduce that constant feeling of fatigue that many people deal with. Now, how does MITOLYN actually work? It combines several natural ingredients, things like vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and plant extracts, all meant to support energy production at the cellular level. Instead of just giving you a caffeine rush like coffee or energy drinks, MITOLYN focuses on helping your body produce real energy from within. Some of the ingredients are also believed to help with metabolism, reduce oxidative stress, and support overall cell health. So, in short, it's more about improving how your body functions, not just giving you a temporary boost. Let's talk about the good stuff, the pros. More natural energy. Many users report feeling less tired and more productive during the day. Better metabolism support. It may help your body burn calories more efficiently, which can be helpful if you're trying to manage your weight. No harsh stimulants. It doesn't rely on caffeine or synthetic chemicals. Supports brain function. Some people say they notice better focus and clearer thinking. Natural ingredients. That's a big plus for anyone trying to avoid artificial formulas. Overall, MITOLYN seems to work well for people who feel low on energy or are looking to boost their general well-being. Now, let's be honest. No supplement is perfect. Here are a few cons to consider. It's not cheap. Compared to regular vitamins, MITOLYN can be a bit expensive. Results take time. Don't expect changes overnight. It usually takes a few weeks to notice a difference. Limited research on the formula. While the ingredients themselves might be studied, there's not a lot of large-scale research on MITOLYN as a product. Different results for everyone. Some people see big changes, others feel very little. Not a replacement for healthy habits. You still need good nutrition, exercise, and sleep. Supplements can only support that. So, if you're expecting a miracle pill, you'll probably be disappointed. But if you see it as a helper, it might be worth trying. Personally, I think MITOLYN is an interesting product. The science behind mitochondrial health is real. It makes sense that improving cell energy could help your overall performance and mood. But like any supplement, it's important to manage expectations. Think of it as a support system for your health, not a magic fix. And of course, always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you're on medication or have health conditions. So that's my honest breakdown of MITOLYN, what it is, how it works, and whether it's worth it. If you've tried it, let me know your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear if it worked for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest supplement reviews, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.